Welcome to Tent and Table's guide for setting up an ultralight frame game. When you receive your frame game, you will get a box that includes your game, stakes, repair patches, and balls for throwing. After finding everything you need, lay out a tarp on the ground where you'll be setting up your frame game. You'll want a tarp that is at least 5 feet by 8 feet. Roll out the frame game over the tarp and unfold it. After this, find the built-in blower in the back. Above this is a zipper, which is protected by a Velcro strap. Open it, and you'll find the cord for the blower inside. Unwind the cord and move it to the leftmost part of the opening and zip up the opening so that the zipper comes up snugly against the cord. Then, seal the Velcro back up so that nearly all of the cord is free. At this point, you want to turn the blower on by plugging it in, so the frame game inflates fully. The game isn't ready to use yet though, and this inflation is just so that you can get a visual of where the panel is going to go. While it's inflated here though, take your stakes and stake down all 4 corners of the frame game. After this, unplug your inflatable and let it deflate a little bit. The deflated product should still hold the general shape of what it'll look like when it's ready, so use this opportunity to open your panel and unfold it. As you can see, there are 3 Velcro strips on the inside of the frame game that correspond to the 3 Velcro strips on the panel. Match the Velcro on the panel to that of the frame game and straighten out the frame game as much as possible so that it's even when you reinflate the unit. Note that the side pieces of Velcro on the inflatable are on flaps, so you may need to turn the flaps inward to get the panel on correctly. Make sure you take your shoes off before stepping on the unit. Now, reinflate the unit. If the panel is lopsided or otherwise not on perfectly, deflate the unit again and adjust it so that it is even and stays on well. This may take a few tries, so be patient. Your ultralight frame game is now ready to use. When it's time to tear down, start by removing any remaining balls from the inflatable. Next, unplug the blower. We don't recommend rolling up the unit with the panel still inside, so be sure to remove the panel and fold it neatly. Next, remove the 4 stakes, clean them if necessary, and return them to the plastic bag with the manual and the patches. Now, open up the Velcro and zipper over the blower and walk over the unit from front to back so that you push air out of the inflatable. Do this until your frame game is reasonably flat, then fold the sides inward. Now, tightly roll up the frame game toward the blower. Having someone walk on the inflatable in front of you isn't strictly necessary because this is a smaller inflatable, but you can do it if you have the extra help. Finally, use the strap to tie up the frame game and return it to the bag along with the stakes, repair patches, manual, throwing balls, and the panel. We hope you found this video helpful. For more instructional videos like this, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit us at tentandtable.com.